Let's look at the maintenance engineer's role for round 2. In this round, your role will be to monitor the state of your generators and to initiate preventive or planned maintenance before the components reach critical levels. Remember, your mission is to ensure that your generators are always functional and to minimize downtime and overall maintenance costs. Preventive maintenance will help you minimize downtime and therefore control your costs. Keep in mind, if you do not regularly monitor and maintain your generators, they will break down and you will have to complete corrective maintenance following the procedure outlined for round 1. Let's review how to initiate the preventive maintenance process using the sensors overview tile. Let's say only one of these IoT sensors is starting to reach a critical level. Click on the following icon in the sensor data card to create a maintenance notification for that particular component and assign a priority. Now, you will have a system-generated maintenance notification which can be converted to a maintenance order and then released for the resource scheduler to start preventive maintenance repairs. If all the components of your generator are reaching critical levels, you can start an equipment overhaul by clicking on the following icon in the equipment status card. Doing so will require more work hours to complete the preventive maintenance process, but all IoT sensors for that particular generator will be reset to non-critical values. As in the prior example, system-generated maintenance notifications will now be created. Convert those notifications to orders, reassign priority and release for repair to be scheduled, as you did for the corrective maintenance process in round 1. Once you release those orders, preventive maintenance will be scheduled and your generators should be repaired before they break down. Keep an eye on the IoT sensors though, as the situation can degrade quickly. You are now ready to tackle the second round.